Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Final Cut Pro optimized media for 4K YouTube workflows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Final Cut Pro optimized media for 4K YouTube workflows, begin by launching Final Cut Pro. Open the project you want to work on. Locate your media files in the browser. Right-click on the media files you plan to use. Select Transcode Media from the drop-down menu. Choose the Optimize option. Select the desired codec for your workflow. In this case, choose ProRes 422 for 4K content. Click OK to start transcoding. Wait for the process to complete. Once transcoding is done, navigate to the File menu. Select Share from the options. Then choose Master File. In the Master File settings, ensure the format is set to the video and audio option. Make sure the video codec is set to H.264 for a 4K YouTube upload. Check the resolution settings to confirm it's set to 3840 by 2160. Add any metadata or description as needed in the settings. Click Next to select a location to save your file. Choose the destination on your computer. Then, click Save. Monitor the export process in the background. Once the export is complete, navigate to your YouTube account. Log in if you aren't already. Click on the Upload button in your YouTube dashboard. Select the final video file you just exported. While the video uploads, add your title, description, and tags. Adjust any additional settings as necessary. Click Publish when you're ready to make your video live. Now, your Final Cut Pro optimized media is successfully authorized for a 4K YouTube workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.